Texas Racing Syndicate. What's up, guys? Lonnie here. I just finished my son's Deadbolt. I call it the Gd Deadbolt. Put these halo lights in there, drilled that out. Put some Cadillac style tail lights. Man, they came out good. I'm liking everything on this truck. All I had laying around was the LGRP little guys. Not a huge fan, but they do pretty good because the clearance, RC four-wheel drive, stamp steel bead locks, I love those. Mofo RC plus 6 axles with 64 gram wheel weights and only 3 of the wheels to kind of counterbalance the motor. I didn't put it on the left side. Just a hot racing 66T in there, 0.50 I believe is what it is, with the brass pinion. I took the Deadbolt rear links and hit it with a lighter and bent them for high clearance, so they work pretty well. I got top cad black brass 4-link in the front. I think he's really gonna love this thing. It's got the Tech in it with the NSDRC BEC Emax servo, T-rail axle weights, T-rail frame sliders. I mean, he should love this truck. I took the Mofo double barrels and put T-rail caps on them so it matched the boulder bars and the axle weights. Personally, I just like them better, and the Mofos weren't branded. They were just plain caps anyway. This thing performs a lot better than I ever thought it would, and I actually had a ton of fun with this thing. I'm glad to get the fleet back together and running again. Built 3 trucks yesterday, so time to clear off the desk and get ready for the next build. Sorry I've been slacking on my videos, guys. I appreciate all your support. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. If there's any questions you have, anything you want to know, please comment. I'll help you out in any way I can. Thanks for watching, guys. Texas Racing Syndicate out.